Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Today I've got another beautiful HMT watch which has come in this special box. Let me take it out. This was recently available on the website and it was available in around 7-8 shades, but I picked up the shade which is my favorite for HMT watches, which is the green shade. So I've got this beautiful HMT Kedar. Beautiful packing, looks really nice. Let me take it out. This is the warranty and the other build stuff. This is the box they have sent. Let me take out the watch. Looks really nice. And this is the HMT Kedar in the lovely color of green, sunburst dial, as you guys can see, and it's an automatic watch. The Kedar is quite an old watch of HMT, but this particular iteration looks like a new iteration of this watch. It has got stainless steel case. Let me take out the front sticker. Wow, looks really nice. Looks really beautiful with applied indices in silver. There are multiple options. There are options in which there are indices applied in gold also. And this is the back of the watch, fully stainless steel with this particular band. It's 36 mm, so it's a smaller size. The same looking case also comes in Kanchan and Rajat. So this is a little different from those. They are much bigger in size. They are 42 mm. This is 36 mm. So this looks much better size wise on smaller wrists. So yes, and also this reminds one of the Rado Diastar, which is also a similar looking watch, similar size, around 37 mm, but it costs around $7,000 to $8,000, while this is much cheaper. So this cost around 7,500 rupees. Beautiful watch indeed. And automatic, obviously. And it's got shock resistance, all stainless steel, water resistant till 3 atmosphere, as you guys can see. So a really beautiful watch, and let me show it to you compared to the Stellar Open Heart. Over here I've got these two watches. And the dial of the Kedar, being smaller, looks a little more busy. And see, this Stellar is around 41 mm, 42 mm. So the Kedar is much smaller. And if I compare it to the Kohinoor which I'm wearing the green Kohinoor, compared to that watch, again this has got a smaller dial, looks really nice indeed. And if I let me quickly do a wrist shot for you guys. Adjustable bracelet, fully stainless steel. This is a wrist shot of the watch, looks really nice on my wrist. The lume shot, I will also post a lume shot of this watch. It has got good lume on the hands as well as on the dial, so it's quite visible at night, although the duration of the lume is very less, so it stays on for only a few minutes, which is the case with all HMT watches. So beautiful watch. I would recommend this to every enthusiast to get one. And but the dial is a little busy, it looks nice still, and really robust movement. Go for it, बहुत ही बढ़िया वॉच है और रियली ओल्ड क्लासिक लुक है. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.